Hasta apellido puso la verdad.
Y ya no es apellido y eso.
Would you like me to call you by your short name, Lisa? Yes. Can I see yours? Okay, guys. Have you ever heard the word summary before? Yes. Do you have an idea what a summary is?
Like, resumen in English.
Okay. And where have you seen summaries? For example, in school.
At the beginning of investigation, you
Okay.
have to first put a summary to explain what is the investigation about.
Yes, it's called abstract. Yes,
Yeah.
you're correct.
Like a summary.
But you do have the right definition of summary. All of you understand what a summary is? Yes? Okay. So, who can help me read? Can you guys see? Or should I zoom it more? Like that? Do you guys?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Well, let me choose. I'm gonna start using your names now. Raquel, can you help me reading this one, please?
People don't need to learn things by heart anymore. They can go home to their phones and find out things instantly. They don't have to remember. Education needs to focus on creativity in problem solving, not learning fast.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Do you know the expression learn things by heart? Do you know what that means? Or no? Do you have an idea? We don't have like a... In English, it's different. It's a different expression than in Spanish. There is no like a literal translation from Spanish to English. So I will understand if you find it difficult to relate it to something in Spanish because we don't say it like that. But do you have an idea or no? No?
Like learn things on books or like make more effort to learn things, not just search it on internet.
Okay. Yes. Something like that. Anyone else? No? Okay. Well, by heart means like by memory. Like phone numbers. You know by heart your phone number. You know by heart your home address. Yes? Things like that, you learn them by heart. So that's what learning by heart means. Okay? Yes, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think about what it says there? Do you think like, would you guys be teachers or translators? Teachers, excellent. So it's a good topic to discuss. Would you like your students to learn things by heart or just search things on the internet? By heart. Why? Why by heart? Do you think it has more impact? How do you think it will impact on your students?
Because it's something that they can transmit when they be a teacher.
When they are explaining, right? Things, yes. Okay, perfect. Anything else? Why do you think learning by heart is better than just searching on the internet with students?
Because then you're not learning, you are just like getting like the information in your head and you're not memorizing the stuff, like you're only getting it and then you're going to forget it. So that's why I think it's very important by heart to in the future memorize and know stuff.
Yes, okay, I do agree. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to read this blog as well. And let's read them together, okay? Valeria, can you help me with the A, please?
In defense of rote learning, it is often said these days that the Google generation has access to so many facts online that memorization is a waste of time. Learning by heart or rote learning is seen as not only pointless but also mindless. People argue that it doesn't require any intelligence or creativity.
Thank you so much, Valeria. Okay, now let's go with B. Ari, please.
Creativity and problem solving are very passionate in education. But how can people use their minds freely if there's nothing actually memorized and stored there? How do you create something from nothing?
Perfect, thank you so much. Let's continue. Letter C. Andrea, please.
And in fact, time and use of time. Memorization actually helps the brain to develop. Research shows that people who were required to learn things by heart at school are better able to focus on their work as habits.
Thank you so much. So here in this text you can see a little bit more of explanation about what we were talking about, right? Now it is actually showing us as a result, yes, how we will improve our students' learning process, yes, when they become adults. Now let's go with letter D. Dana, please.
Sure, you can use a calculator these days, but isn't it actually quicker and easier to know your multiplication tables? If you just know these basic things, that frees up your brain power for bigger and better things.
Okay, thank you so much. And finally, letter E.
Think about it. How would you feel about having surgery that Dr. Hodges looked up how to do it in Google? Expertise is developed through hours of learning, practice, and memorization.
Okay, excellent. Now that we have read all of the blog, we have to match all of these little summaries. Yes? Let's do exercise number 3. I'm gonna give you a couple of minutes and we will share answers, okay?
párrafos.
No creo que me está no. Pues yo guardé un sitio para felicitar.
Ay, no.
Two more minutes and we will compare answers, okay? Okay, are you done? Yes? Okay, so number 1, having to look up facts is a waste of time when you could just learn them. Which letter? D. D for David, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Second, practice and memorization are essential if you want to be an expert. E. Okay. Rote learning is often considered to be unnecessary and uncreative. A for apple. 4, people need background knowledge as well as the ability to be creative. B. And then number 5, learning things by heart benefits the brain. Okay, let's see. Okay, does it match with yours?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now we're also going to use the blog for this other exercise for A. So look at the look at the possible summaries below. Which is the best overall summary of the blog post in exercise 2 and why? Yes, so we have these 2 options, yes? So let's read them. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes to read them. Well, 4 minutes to read them and think about an answer, okay? Okay, are you done? Yes? So, which one do you think is the one that fits the most? A or B?
B.
A. So, majority of A's. Okay. Let's see. So, here we go. Yes, A is better answer. Okay, excellent. Okay, and now here are some of the main ideas of how a summary should be like composed. What is the best thing that a summary can have? Yes. So, who can help me read number 1? Yes.
A summary should include all or most of the main ideas in the text, not minor details.
Okay. Do you agree with that statement? Yes or no? How do you do your summaries usually? Do you follow that idea or no? Yes? Okay. Number 2?
You should use your own words where possible.
Okay. Do you guys use your own words when doing a summary? Yes? Okay. And number 3? Who can help me read that one? Okay. Sam, can you help me?
You should not add your own opinion or any extra information.
Okay. Do you think the same when it comes to be a summary?
Yes.
You do not add your own opinion?
No.
No? Okay. All right, and now I'm gonna ask you something before going to the paraphrasing thing. I would like to ask you a question about summary. I would like you guys to give me a summary about what you like the most. It could be a movie, it could be a series. Yes? I'm gonna give you just 1 minute to think about your favorite movie or series or anything you would like to talk to me about and give me a brief summary using what we discussed before. Okay? Are you ready? No.
Es de Naruto.
Yes. Okay. Well, first, I will take anyone who would like to participate. If not, victims, okay? Who would like to participate first? Okay, should I choose victims then? Okay, go ahead. Daniela.
There's this series of books. It's called The Lunar Chronicles. It's about like the typical stories of princesses like Cinderella, Snow White, and Rapunzel. But it has like this futuristic twist and sci-fi action. And it is not focused in love. It is more about making a revolution and taking down the bad people, and it's not focused on I love this person and we're gonna get together. It's more like
this girl, transgender, is a cyborg and she's fighting for taking back what is supposed to be hers and ending the reign of a monarch that is about to take over the planet Earth.
Oh, okay. Interesting. What's the name of the book?
The book series is Lunar Chronicles. In the fifth book is called Just Cinder.
Oh.
Like it is short for Cinderella.
Okay. And is that the protagonist?
Cinder?
Yes. Okay.
It's not like what equal. It's like it's field located in Asia, and there are like she has like a stepsister, even spoiler, that is Iraq, and she too has like a bunch of allies that are from different places. She's the one that is from I think it's America, and one that is French,
Okay.
and she collects people from around the world.
Okay. Very interesting. Thank you so much, Maria. Okay. Very brave. Okay. Who else would like to participate? It's your favorite thing in the world. Why won't you speak? I will think you're passionate about it. Okay. Fact? Can you go, please?
Okay, I chose the movie The Notebook. I would say it's my favorite movie. It's about young and first love in a strong way. But for factors of the life, they get separate, like in a forced way, include like social class and future plans. Like it was very different, so they get separate for their parents, and being grown-ups, they get reunited again, and they get the chance to experience much more mature love, and it's a happy ending.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Just one more. Let's see. Mariana.
My favorite movie is called Stand By Me. It's a coming of age movie set in the 60s, and it's about four kids that, in their last day of summer, they heard about a boy that got lost and supposedly like his body is near the train rails, and then being kids decide to try to look for the body to get the fame of finding it, and it's about the journey they make in that, in looking for the body.
So what genre is it like? Is it a scary movie or drama? What genre? Is it what? I'm sorry.
Coming of age.
Oh, okay. Coming of age. Okay, thank you. Okay, excellent. So now we're going to talk about paraphrasing. Yes? Do you know what paraphrasing is? Yes? Okay, you have done it a lot of times in your homework, right? In research in general, yes? Okay, so let's read this chart. Language for writing, paraphrasing and summaries. Paraphrasing can involve replacing words and phrases with synonyms. Example given, memorization could be replaced with rote learning or learning by heart. However, it is also often necessary to change the grammatical structure of the sentence. An active sentence could be made passive. Example given, people often say that, could be replaced with it is often thought that, which is what you guys saw a few classes ago. Remember that topic? Yes, about passive and active sentences. Yes, so we use it for paraphrasing. Yes. Or a verb phrase could become a noun phrase. Example given, learning by heart helps the brain to develop, could become brain development is encouraged by memorization. How are the underlying phrases? Okay, so let's go back to the blog. Yes, how are the underlined phrases or sections from the blog post in exercise 2? Paraphrase in summary A in exercise 4A. Okay, let's see. Okay, so do you guys see the blog again? Do you see how there are a few words that are underlined? Do you see them? Yes, on the blog from before? This one? Yes. Now we're going to use it again for this other exercise, okay? So we're going to discuss how are the underlined phrases or sections from the blog post in exercise 2 paraphrased in summary A. Yes, do you remember that we chose this one? Yes? Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. You can do it with... Okay, yeah, so let's do as the book says. You can do it with a partner, okay? And then I'm gonna ask you, what did you find out? Okay? Yes? You have 5 minutes. Okay, so are you done? Like, did you catch anything that we have read on number 5? Something that you can relate, like that chart with the exercise? Because on chart 5, it let us know how paraphrasing develops, yes? So did it help you, like, to find out what were the differences between the blog and the summary? Like, what was the main characteristic?
The person who did the summary took the underline phrases and then do the summary.
Okay, yes. And how did they do the summary? Like using
Using his own words, like paraphrasing.
their own words. What else? Did they use did they use synonyms? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, what else? Did they use any verb phrase that became a noun phrase? No?
I think the first phrase, learning by the heart, or is an example, and then here, the people use like a verb. Many people think that rote learning is necessary.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so it does have some things in common, right? That you can get from this chart, language for writing. Yes, that it was actually something that you could relate to the blog and the summary. And now let's go to the task for today, okay? And then you can go to break, I think, right?
Sorry?
Should I just put the task and then, okay. Okay. Okay, so the task will be read the short article from a website and write a summary in 50 to 60 words of the key points of the article. Okay, so this is the task for today. It's task number 4. Yes, and you have to upload it, right? Yes, you have to upload it into Teams, okay? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Should they go to break or later? Okay, well, you can take the break and you will do the task when you come back, okay?